Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we have something truly special for all you food enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the best Japanese sea salt available, the Maldon Salt Sea Salt Flakes. Just take a look at this beautiful packaging, and trust me, the taste is even more exceptional. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our product reviews. Alright, let's get into it. Maldon Salt, known for its rich heritage and quality, has been in the business since 1882. It's handcrafted, natural, and the taste is absolutely out of this world. What sets this salt apart is its distinctive pyramid crystals. These crystals are the result of traditional artisan methods, and they add an incredible texture and depth of flavor to your dishes. Now, when it comes to quality and purity, Maldon Salt has got you covered. It's approved by the Organic Food Federation, so you can be sure that you're getting a product with no additives. It's also kosher, making it suitable for a wide range of dietary preferences. The Maldon Salt Flakes come in various sizes, but today, we're talking about the 8.5 ounces size. It's perfect for both professional kitchens and home cooking. Plus, the packaging is 100% recyclable and resealable for your convenience. Now, I've had the pleasure of using this salt myself, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. Whether you're sprinkling it over a baked potato, finishing off a perfectly cooked steak, or even using it in baking, the taste and texture it adds are unmatched. Don't just take my word for it, though. Check out these glowing reviews from satisfied customers. It's consistently rated at 4.8 stars with over 40,000 ratings. People love the clean taste and the crunch that these pyramid crystals provide. Now, you might be wondering about the price. While it's a bit more expensive than your regular table salt, the value it adds to your culinary creations is well worth it. So, if you're looking to elevate your cooking to the next level, I highly recommend trying out the Maldon Salt Sea Salt Flakes. You can find the link in the description below to get your hands on this culinary gem. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. And as always, stay tuned for more exciting product reviews. Thanks for watching.